go. We're gonna do a quick stop. We're at the Maryland house right off 95 rest area, and we're just gonna do a quick top off with the charger since it's here. Let's see how FSD takes us there. Alright, definitely wait for this car. Alright, nice job. Alright, so I'm at like 39%, which is not bad. So I'm just gonna do a quick charge here to probably 100, since I have an LFP battery and I don't know anything else. Now, where are the chargers? Oh, there they are. Perfect. Plenty available. So we're gonna do a takeover since FSD didn't even recognize this left here. Alright, so let's see if we can snag the last one here, since there's only a couple available. Alright, so we're gonna do a quick auto park into the Supercharger. Let's see how it does. Hopefully it picks the right spot. And I'm gonna show you all how long it takes in comparison to pumping the gas. Like, you have to put your credit card in, zip code, you know, wait for it to like approve, pull that nozzle out. So we're gonna do like a comparison here. So starting from as soon as I get out, which really nice job with the the reverse park. But yeah, now let's see how long it takes to charge. Ready, starting now. All right, and look at that, we are already charging. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and hope you have a great rest of your day.